We are back with 9 coolest car gadgets on Amazon you will need in 2024. So get ready, and let's get started. Number 9. The Twistep is the best way for helping your furry friend to get into your vehicle with ease. This versatile step attaches to your SUV's hitch receiver, providing instant access for your dog. With a simple lift of a pin, it twists to assist your dog to load in or load out from the vehicle. Capable of holding up to 400 pounds on a Class 3 hitch, it ensures stability and safety. When not in use, the Twistep conveniently stores under the bumper, preserving your vehicle's aesthetics. Its corrosion-resistant coating ensures durability for long-lasting use. By reducing the impact and stress on your pet's joints, it minimizes the risk of conditions like arthritis, leg injuries, and back springs caused by repetitive jumping. Number 8. Here's the most reliable and easy-to-use puncture repair kit for tires. No need to remove the tire. Just screw in the plugger and fix the mushroom plug. These plugs safely seal the tire from the inside, providing a long-term solution. The package includes over a dozen of them. That's more than enough. And there's a rust-proof stainless steel nozzle that'll last for ages. So the tool's great, but the gun kit's even better. It uses the same materials, yet makes the process way easier and faster. Number 7. Presenting the Yesper Mini Vacuum Cleaner. For cars, the best 3-in-1 interior cleaning solution available. Not only is this wireless handheld marvel great for your car, but it also doubles as a flexible keyboard vacuum cleaner. Its powerful brushless motor can effectively remove dirt and debris from each crevice in the house with an astounding 12,000 PA of high power. Because it has Type-C charging, quick and easy power replenishment is guaranteed. Bid farewell to awkward wires and welcome to hassle-free cleaning. You should always use the Yesper Mini Vacuum Cleaner to keep your keyboards dust-free and your car's interior immaculate. Improve the quality of your cleaning with this small but mighty device that packs a powerful suction, wireless freedom, and efficiency into a stylish design. Enhance your cleaning regimen and enjoy Yesper's convenience, your reliable partner for a more organized automobile and workstation. Number 6. The Shynerk Baby Car. Mirror is designed to alleviate parents' concerns when driving with infants in their car. Compatible with most vehicles, it enables you to monitor your baby while driving. Featuring adjustable buckle straps and a pivoting backrest attachment, the mirror offers 360 degrees angle adjustment for optimal viewing. Now, you can focus on both driving and caring for your baby with ease and peace of mind. Number 5. Now, let's check out another tool, an innovative tire inflator. It uses a unique slime sealant that coats the tire from the inside, repairing any puncture up to a 1/4 inch. This slime repair will last over 500 miles, which should be more than enough to get to a tire repair facility safely. Otherwise, this thing works like a regular inflator. Plug into the car socket, attach the hose, and start inflating with a push of a button. Thanks to the built-in digital display, you can track the tire pressure in real time. And in case you've got too much air inside, don't worry. There's a deflate button especially for that purpose. Number 4. A rolling bag for tools in the car is in many ways a very convenient solution. Rolling bags are made of wear-resistant, very durable material, take up little space, allow you to store and carry a wide variety of tools, hammers, wrenches, hardware, etc. Number 3. The seasons change, summer's replaced by autumn and winter, which means that it becomes necessary to replace the rubber with the appropriate one. To keep summer tires from dusting, it is better to store them in special protective covers. In such a case, it is convenient to carry the tire by the handle and transport it in the car without fear of dirtying the upholstery. The seller offers several sizes so that you can pick up the cover for your wheels. The material is polyester. Number 2. If you repair and service your car yourself, the jack is designed for a maximum weight of 3 tons, so it is suitable for lifting sedans and small SUVs. The jack has a low jacking height from 3.64 inches, which is convenient for cars with low ground clearance. The jack is manually operated and has a sturdy support base. It has a weight capacity of 75.6 pounds. The maximum lift height is 19.49 inches. Number 1. Anything can happen on the road. Make sure you have some extra power for emergencies. This compact powerhouse will juice up literally any device you've taken with you, even if it's your car. Low battery? Okay. There are 2 more ports to charge multiple devices at a time. Oh, and there's a built-in flashlight with several brightness modes for the low-light adventures. Our digital engine is cooling down, but your journey is just beginning. Stay connected with us. Like, share, and gear up for the next ride.